New tonight, the city of Phoenix will pay out a $2 million settlement for the wrongful death of a 2-year-old boy back in 2022. The family said Phoenix firefighters refused to take him to the hospital after he started having a seizure, telling them that it's normal. Thanks for joining us tonight. For 12 News at 10, I'm Mark Curtis.
And I'm Troy Hayden. Caribe is off tonight. 12 News journalist Chase Golightly spoke exclusively with the family's attorney, and he joins us live outside Phoenix City Hall. So what's all this about, Chase?
Troy, Mark, according to those court documents, the boy's mother pleaded with firefighters to take him to the hospital, but they told her it wasn't necessary. Then just hours later, that little boy died. You should always be able to count on firefighters to help in your time of need. But for the Clugston family in Phoenix, they said that didn't happen for their 2-year-old son, Abraham.
I almost didn't believe what had occurred.
Brianne Slack is their attorney, who filed a wrongful death lawsuit against the city of Phoenix and its fire department. According to court documents in 2022, Abraham's mom said her son suffered a seizure for the first time and had a fever. She immediately called 911.
She was panicking.
When Phoenix firefighters arrived, the document claims the mom begged them to transport Abraham to the hospital, but firefighters said that wasn't necessary and that Abraham was fine. They said instead to just give the 2-year-old Tylenol and ibuprofen. When the mom insisted, they reportedly told her that she was overreacting.
She's told, calm down, you're overreacting, it's just a seizure. All kids have seizures.
Trusting the firefighters, she listened. She gave Abraham Tylenol and ibuprofen like they recommended. Then
he was found unresponsive less than 6 hours later.
She called 911 again. This time they did rush the toddler to Phoenix Children's Hospital, but after life-saving efforts, the family was told Abraham had died.
It was heartbreaking and shocking. They called out relying on Phoenix EMS and relied on their consultation, their advice, saying that he doesn't need to be taken to the hospital. He's fine.
Leading to this lawsuit being filed against those firefighters and the city for their son's death. The Clugston family sending us a statement that reads in part, whether it was poor decision-making that day or it was a flaw in the procedure that needed to be exposed and addressed, Abraham's death could have and should have been prevented. Now, years later,
passes 9-0.
The Phoenix City Council agreed to pay the Clugston family $2 million to settle the case.
At the end of the day, the settlement is not going to bring Abraham back, but the family have been very vocal about wanting to pursue some kind of reform.
Demanding policy change so no one else's child will go through what Abraham did. Now, we did receive a statement from the city of Phoenix a few hours after the council made the approval. It says, quote, the city of Phoenix extends its deepest condolences following this incident. As with any incident, an internal review was conducted and steps have been taken to improve training and procedures, adding the city remains dedicated to protecting the community. We're live in downtown Phoenix tonight. Chase Golightly, 12 News.
All right, Chase, thank you for the report.